Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today my dad actually purchased a Yamaha VX Cruiser. This is a 2024, and I wanted to read directly from the Yamaha manual the engine break-in procedures for this new 1.9 liter engine. This is the high output engine, it's not the supercharger engine. So page 66 of the manual here. To perform the engine break-in, check the engine oil level. We did that. Launch the watercraft and start the engine. We did that. Step 3, for the first 5 minutes, operate with the engine at 2,000 RPMs. My girlfriend and I, we just did that. We just went for a ride, and really 2,000 RPMs is basically, it idles at 1,500 or so, and 2,000 was just like a little bit push. So it really is very docile at 2,000 RPMs. So again, 5 minutes at 2,000 RPMs. And then for the next 30 minutes, operate with the engine speed below 5,000 RPMs. My dad did that. And now my girlfriend and I are working on step 5, which is for the next hour, operate with the engine speed below 6,000 RPMs. And after the engine break-in is complete, the watercraft can be operated normally. So that's nice. It just says for the next hour, operate with the engine speed below 6,000 RPMs. We don't have to stay at 6,000 RPMs. It just doesn't want us going over 6,000 RPMs. So far, my family, we've never had a Yamaha jet ski before. We had a Sea-Doo GTI, and it was a great boat, but it was like 100 horsepower, 110 horsepower. Going up to a Yamaha 200 horsepower, it is pretty shocking, the difference in technology and power. The steering of this boat, I don't know if you would agree, my girlfriend's filming right now. The steering of the boat is very sensitive. It's like, you really need to stay focused, because I think if you ever caught a wave wrong, or you weren't paying attention, or you had to swerve really quickly and your passenger wasn't holding on, the hull really grabs and sticks to the water, so you could have an accident. So you do need to be obviously very careful of that. What else? The throttle and the reverse on the left and the throttle on the right, that system is really, really cool. Docking the boat is super easy, and we only have like less than an hour on it, and I feel like we're already kind of mastered it. It just takes the slightest touch to move that drive shaft from forward to reverse, and you can do it really seamlessly, like forward, reverse, and you can use that to adjust your speed as you come into the dock. What else? The cleats on the port side and the starboard side are really nice to have. It would also be nice to have the cleats on the back here. You can get those added, but coming in stock, it only has the cleats on the front. The glove compartment's nice. We put our sunglasses and hats in there in the front. The seat itself is really comfortable. This is the cruiser model, so it's tiered up so the passengers can look over the heads, in theory, of the other passengers if everyone was the same height. We used the swim ladder for the first time, and that was really easy. We kind of had a learning curve on it, like we didn't know exactly how to use it. I think the best way to do it is you kind of push yourself out of the water to grab the handle, then drop the ladder, and then step on the ladder and climb up that way. So yeah, still learning the features of the trim, the TDE, I believe. It's those buttons over there on the left side, and the no wake cruise button. I mean, I understand, like, when you don't want to go fast, you hit the cruise button and it just cruises. But I don't quite know how the trim works. So yeah, still learning the machine, but so far it's sweet. And I just love the Stormtrooper black and white. So anyways, that's kind of the break-in procedure of the VX 2024 VX Yamaha with the 1.9 liter. Thanks for watching.